Which animal sound is this?
Dog.
Very good. Which animal sound is this? Which animal sound is this, Kriyansh? Very good. Okay. Next. Which animal sound is this? Very good. Okay. Which animal sound is this? Swan. Okay. Which animal sound is this, Kriyansh? Which animal sound is this? Very good. Elephant. Kriyansh, which animal sound is this? Camel. Which animal sound is this? Which animal sound is this? What is this?
Dog.
Giraffe. Very good. Kriyansh, which animal sound is this? What is this? Very good. Which animal sound is this? Very good. Clapping. Give me a high five. Give me a high five, Kriyansh.